How to find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure you have downloaded the Trust Wallet application on your device. Once you have downloaded, go to the Trust Wallet app and make sure you are logged in into your wallet on Trust Wallet application. Once you log in, you will land to the home page of the Trust Wallet. Now head towards the wallet of which you want to see the address. Now different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of Receive. With that, you will see this QR code. Along with the QR code, you will find the number at the bottom of the QR code. So this is the address of your wallet. You can copy this address and share it within your friends. By following the same steps, you can easily find the address of other wallets as well. So this is how you can easily find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. That's it for the video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.